don't know where he's from South Africa.
No.
Here in Canada.
He is from the one in the New Zealand.
Was he from New Zealand?
Yeah. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Me and my sweetie. Say hello. Hello, Mom.
Hello, Mom. Yeah.
Hello, Mom. I'm Vicky.
And Vicky. Hello, Vicky.
Grabe, ang init dito. Naka-shirt na lang ako, oh. Naka-shirt na lang ako talaga. Grabe mo lang init, oy.
You turn into one of the Radio City Rockettes. You're kicking every second step. Every third step, you're kicking. Huh? Yeah.
Ang gwapo naman ang nabi ko, oh.
What is
Si
it?
Sansan.
Oh.
No, yeah.
This one.
You can pick. You can pick.
What kind do you want?
Ini. Ini. Hello, butter. But
I think it's pasta
cherry
sauce.
and cream taste. I don't.
No,
Maybe
so
this
put it
one,
on
Han. Try this one.
Orange
This.
marmalade is a little bitter. You want? It's a little bitter. You won't like it.
Yeah. Or hala, orange marmalade. Guava. Maybe try
You like the guava?
try this.
You don't. I know you don't like it.
Nah,
It's made from orange peels. That's fine.
that one sugar free.
It's made from the peeling. Only the peeling.
That's
That's fine. No.
how about
No.
this?
You got it. It's the same thing.
Okay.
Look.
Huh?
See?
Oh,
Same thing.
sugar free.
Orange marmalade, sugar, mango pineapple jam. Okay, well this one's different.
That one different.
No, it's orange marmalade. I knew it was. You got to do it. It's not sugar free. I thought you were getting this one, but you're not.
Okay, you can pick. I said.
That's fine.
Okay.
You want to
Huh?
run back into City Hall?
No, only here. We don't need to go in City Mall. Mainit na kasi. Kaya na ganito na lang ako, oy. Mainit eh. Ako buti di ko nga nakalimutan ko. Kasi wala na to eh.
Sorry.
Yung sila dito nga.
See that right still.
Ay, andito yung sinasabi. Sinasabi na Barnuts. Naghahanap kasi yung bata ba? Palagi naghanap.
Diba?
Mayroon dito nag-shipping. Mayroon chick na chicken na product dito ba? Ay, saan ba yun? Naglakad-lakad ako tapos akala ko ba nandito lang sa talikod. Wala man.
I don't see birds here.
Birds tree? Here, oh.
No, you see
How many?
there?
1 or 2?
One. So
Okay.
this is not a full one. This is it's 8 of them.
Okay. Hmm?
I said, do they have the little coffee?
Yeah, already.
The coffee.
The coffee? Wait.
Yeah, this one's.
How about the bigger one?
Well, it doesn't matter, really. That's fine.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, following me.
Meet again his friend.
You're stalking me, eh?
Oh no, stalking.
No, just following me.
If I'm stalking,
Did you start your KME?
yeah. But I'm not.
Hello.
Hello to my YouTube
Check your
channel.
hair. Hang on. Let me check my hair.
Oh yes.
That's what you do. I have more on my face than I see.
Yeah. It's a lot of things.
He's his friend from New Zealand. New Zealand, I think.
In my way.
Yeah.
Can I
Food
ask?
in it, you have to pick it up.
Can I ask you? Are you from New Zealand?
Yeah.
He's from
Where are
New
you
Zealand.
Huh? Where are you from?
Philippines. And his wife,
Yeah.
Ate.
She's got a lot of people that walk.
Oh,
She is, I don't know,
bye-bye.
1,000?
Yeah, okay.
No, she is
Yeah,
2 or
give one
300.
like that. Look. Like that.
This is Ate.
Give one like that.
From my YouTube.
See you later.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Bye-bye, bro.
And so now, huh?
The food or what? The
What?
other. The food or what? The other things here.
What else do you want?
Your food.
What do you need? Do you want noodles?
Your food.
You want meat?
Okay.
Well, let's go pick out some meat.
Okay. Dito lang kasi yung nakikita. Karamihan kasi yung mga sa sweetie ko dito siya makakita ng mga apam magiging mga kaibigan niya. Ganun. Marami naman kasi dito sa amin mga apam. Meron nga naghahanap dito ba? Naghahanap
You say
ng
the vegan?
ha?
Vegan? What?
No. Mayroon nga naghahanap ba taga ano yata yun? Limutan ko man yun. Ay, Belgium pala. Taga Belgium siya, 75 years old. Naghahanap siya, nagpapahanap siya sa akin. Kasi, nung pumunta siya dito sa Surigao, ano, yung hindi niya alam, yung kachat pala niya, may asawa yun. Kaya, nung pumunta kami sa Metrobang yata yun, nakakilala sila ng aking sweetie, tsaka yung black guy from US.
You want to go to this
Ah,
Belgian
ah,
step?
ah. Tapos, yung black guy, kasi yung Belgium na yun, doon lang sa sasakyan ng black guy.
Nice to be direct through the bags.
Ano ba?
I just can't bring myself to be rude. You know?
Ah. Tapos, hindi naman lumabas yung taga Belgium ba? Doon na sa sasakyan ng ano, black guy. Tapos, yung black guy na yun, nag-usap siya sa sweetie ko, tsaka sa akin, na yung daw, yung kaibigan daw niya, naghahanap daw kasi, na ano daw yung kaibigan niya, nang pumunta siya dito, yun naman niya alam, yung pala may asawa yung babae. Kasi yung babae, nandoko man yun eh, may asawa pala siya, tapos nagchat-chat pa. Hindi naman, akala siguro ng yung babae na yun, na hindi siya puntahan dito sa Pilipinas. Papunta man yan talaga, basta ano, yung ano ba yan, yung seryoso sa'yo, sa isang babae. Tapos yung nangyari na yun, gwapo pa naman yun. No, gwapo pa. Kahit matanda siya, 75. Gwapo pa naman yun. Di ba, iwan ko ba kung bakit ano ba nangyari sa babae na yun. Dapat sana kung meron siyang kapatid ba o ano ba, o anak ba niya o mga relatives niya, binigay na lang sana niya. Hindi yung may asawa siya tapos pinapunta pa talaga niya. Ang layo pa naman dito. Alam nyo, magkano yung pamasahe, mahal-mahal pa naman. Tapos nagpunta siya dito. Yung pala yung babae, pinapuntahan niya, may asawa pala yun. Hirap sa mga ganyan, di ba? Kaya mag-aware kayo mga babae sa Pilipinas, mag-aware kayo. Oy! Huwag kayong mag-chat-chat ng may asawa pala kayo. Paano yan kung magsiseryoso sa inyo? Tapos punta kayo dito, tapos yung pala may asawa kayo. My God!
This?
Okay.
You want this stuff? Not your this other stuff.
Okay. Teka muna mga guys. Mag-usap mag-ano pa ako dito. Meron kasi akong kukunin ba. Hindi man kasi na ano po. Nagsabuti na ba yan ako po sila ako. Ayaw mo ito. And you are the one to help me. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay. Tapos yun nangyari. Kaya sabi ng black guy sa akin na baka ano daw, ha? Oo. Oo. So, paki-chap-chap. Gagmay chap-chap. Nahawa naman ako sa matanda na yun, kahit matanda nga siya pero gwapo naman yun. Nahawa rin ako kasi yung babae ba, bakit ganyan? Akala siguro ng babae hindi mahal yung pumasay dito. Diba? Tapos yung ano yung
You went like this.
Nag-usap ako dito. Kasi may mga lalaki dito ba nagtingin-tingin ba. Kaya nagsabi siya, bakit daw? Tawa lang ako. Nag-vlog kasi ako, baka yun nang nagtingin sa akin. Tapos yun. Tsaka iwan ko rin kung andito pa ba yung sa Belgium, baka umuwi na sa kanila. Kasi nakita lang namin yun sa
Please contact the Phantom
Metro ba?
557. Contact the Phantom 80, please.
Ayan. Mabait naman din yun. Kaso lang, nagkamali siya sa babaeng pinag-chat na. Siguro yung babae na yun ay nag-ano din yung pinaghingi-hingi ba. Tapos may asawa pala siya. Tapos, ano, chicken han, chicken. The chicken, as I think it is, Tosino, tapa. No chicken Tosino.
It's on YouTube.
I hear. Oh, here, oh. Chicken Tosino. That's my favorite, mga guys.
Yeah, I don't know.
Sabi niya, ayaw daw niyang kumain ng yan. Hindi siya mahilig sa Tosino. Ako kasi mahilig ako. Meron din dito, chicken Tosino. Namili pa siya. Okay. Ham. Yun, ham. I don't know if you want. Take it up. Ano talaga dito ba? Init. Ay! Kahit may aircon na pero mainit pa rin kasi ano yun ano yun? Malaki kasi dito. Mainit pa rin. Pinapawisan man ako. Pinapawisan ako Ito ako dito. Marami ito. Kaso nang mahal naman.
Yeah, it's about more.
Ay, hindi naman maganda. Ano nila dito. Hindi naman masyado maganda. 40. Ganda pa man kumain ng ganito, oh. Yun guys, siguro ito na lang. Bye-bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye, Mom. See you next time.
Bye, Vicky. Bye, Mom. We love you. Mom and Vicky. Bye-bye.